telling you akaitsusa koloi guys. Akaitsusa check script nyana asitsusa this year. Yeah guys, like to be honest, I was never really much interested in koloi. My first car ke batlang ke C63 yeah 2008. Mara since ke bona dikoloi di pakile ka di vusa di nyetsetsa tšhelete ya yona C63. Nje I'm thinking guys ke ka nagana mara ka re fitlile a re bona RTBS au ke ya Garankuwa ke ka silantsa yaka au baby wa bona ke fita ka sia Garankuwa. And I was on a call with her now, so I was checking if I'm still okay. I'm sorry, one check, a long check, so I said I'm gonna call her when I get there. But she just wanted to find out if I've left the office, because the last time I spoke to her, I think was when I got to the office. And then in between speaking to her, my nigga pulled up. So yeah, we didn't finish our conversation earlier, so we're gonna finish it properly later. I think we're gonna pour petrol. Yeah, let's pour some petrol and then